Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll guide you through the easy and fast process of setting up your Comfast Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method. This simple technique is one of the quickest ways to boost your Wi-Fi coverage without any hassle. Let's get started. Start by unboxing your Comfast Wi-Fi extender. Inside, you'll find the extender itself, a quick setup guide, and possibly a power adapter if included. Before proceeding, ensure you have your main Wi-Fi network's name and password ready for a smooth setup process. Begin by plugging your Comfast Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your router. Allow a few moments for the power indicator light to turn on, which indicates that the extender is powered up and ready to be configured for optimal performance. Next, identify the WPS button on both your Wi-Fi router and the Comfast Wi-Fi extender. The WPS button on the extender is typically labeled or marked with a WPS symbol, making it easy to spot for quick and seamless setup. Press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router to activate WPS pairing mode. This mode enables your router to automatically search for and establish a connection with the extender, making the setup process quick, seamless, and hassle-free. Within 2 minutes of activating WPS pairing mode on your router by pressing its WPS button, press the WPS button on your Comfast Wi-Fi extender. This ensures the extender connects to your router successfully, extending your Wi-Fi network seamlessly. When the indicator light on your Comfast Wi-Fi extender turns solid or green, it indicates a successful connection with your router. This process usually takes just a few seconds, signaling that your extender is ready to enhance your Wi-Fi coverage. Now, disconnect the extender and place it in a location roughly halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Make sure the signal indicator light displays a strong connection to ensure optimal performance and extended network coverage. Finally, connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network. The network name will either match your router's name or include _ext at the end, depending on the extender model. Test the connection to confirm the extender is working properly and enhancing coverage. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, our team of expert professionals is available to help you every step of the way. Don't hesitate to reach out for support or guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for immediate assistance. And there you have it. Your Comfast Wi-Fi extender is now set up using the WPS method. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.